Hello traders. Today we are looking at the market panel display controller indicator for MetaTrader 4. This is a utility tool that creates a customizable information panel directly on your charts. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, once loaded, the indicator displays a panel on your chart showing various market data points. This can include spread, PIP value, account information, session status, and more. The panel is designed to be compact and informative, giving you quick access to data you would otherwise need to look up separately. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. The settings let you choose which data fields to display or hide, adjust the position and size of the panel, and change the color scheme. You can enable or disable individual sections to create a panel that shows only the information relevant to your workflow. As for who the indicator is for, this indicator is suited for any trader who wants a convenient on-chart reference for key market data. It is a utility and informational tool only and does not analyze price direction or execute trades. The accuracy of display data depends on your broker's feed and platform configuration. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.